Hey, this is just a short demo of how Pickaxe can give you superpowers for your Google Sheets. So first off, you'll see that Pickaxe actually appears on the right-hand side of your Google Sheets canvas. Right here, opens up. I'm going to walk through a couple of different use cases here. I'll start with how to use Pickaxe to find companies to target. If you're in a sales or BD capacity, this is especially useful. I'm going to look for software companies in Seattle that are between 201 and 500 employees in size. Hit search, and Pickaxe will go away and pull search results for the companies from LinkedIn, add them straight to your Google Sheet here. You'll notice it happens in the space of seconds. Next up, I may want to find some people at these companies, so I'm going to look at find people at companies. I am interested in finding people in sales. I'm in Seattle again, and I'll take a couple of different ones. So I'll look at Real Networks, Cumulo, and PayScale. I'll hit search, and Pickaxe will go and search for people that match that job title or function, match the city, which is optional, and then across all those companies, you'll see that it adds the results very, very quickly into this tab here. I'm just going to pick a couple of results to show you that we can then go and grab the email. We'll hit fetch emails here. And that will then go away and fetch the email addresses for those profiles and add them straight into the sheet. Awesome. So that's a great use case for sales. Next up, I'll just show a quick use case if you're in recruiting. You might want to find people if you want to hire them, as an example. So I'm going to look for a software engineer. I'm going to look for mobile engineers. So mobile, they'll have iOS and Android skills. Again, in Seattle. Hit search. And Pickaxe will go away and search LinkedIn for people that match that profile that are in Seattle. The city or the country is optional. If you leave that blank, it will go and look globally. You can see here I've added hundreds of engineers that match those profiles that are based here in Seattle. At that point, I can do the same thing. I can select the people that I want to grab emails for. Maybe I check their LinkedIn profile first, so I can click here, and then hit fetch emails, and it will go and fetch emails for them. Another function that we're building out, you can actually send leads directly to your CRM. At the moment, we have integration with Copper and Zoho, where you can send any emails that you've created or fetched through the system out to your CRM, and it will add them in there along with deduping them very, very quickly. The final functionality I'll show is if you want to find a company's URL or a list of URLs from names. So I'll do a couple of examples here. We had Cumulo in the last one, PayScale, and then Smartsheet. Instead of having to go and find them individually on Google, I'll just come in here, hit search, and they're added immediately into your spreadsheet. This is just the beginning. We're adding more integrations and functionality and templates as we go. So look out for updates to the Pickaxe add-on, and hopefully it can help superpower your spreadsheet.